What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another fucking video, guys. Full disclaimer, guys, anybody under the age of 18, this channel may not be suitable for you guys if you guys are watching this in front of your parents. Feel free to watch somebody else do a different type of review, more family friendly. I ain't it. So with that being said, man, thank you for watching once again. Thank you for tuning in once again. For those of you guys that have subscribed from the beginning, I appreciate you guys. For those of you guys that are new, truly appreciate you guys. For those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button real quick. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you guys are ready to fucking get into this fucking shit. So, shout out to the good fam at Under Armour Canada for sending these over, and I would have given you guys an earlier review, an earlier look into this, but with the holidays that had came up, these showed up a little late, and I was expecting it a little earlier, but hey, it is what it is, because I was actually looking forward to this colorway. In terms of basketball sneakers, these gotta be one of the better, first of all, probably the best Curry signature to date yet. Secondly, probably one of the best signature basketball sneakers to release in 2019. New silhouettes, all right? Not talking about any fucking hype shit, not talking about any Jordans, any retros, anything like that. Talking about mainly about this, basketball wise, performance sneaker wise. All right, so let's get into this. All right, because they've been bringing out a lot of good colorways, man. Let me get my favorite ones. So these two right here, okay, these two, the green one, the red one, both by far one of the best sneaker to release in 2019. Look at it, bro. Okay, so I'm expecting exactly the same things as this. Yes, I've seen the colorway already. I've seen some pictures already on Instagram. Hey, I haven't seen them in person, and I do like it. So here we go. So this is the Super Soaker 7 Curry 7s, and hey, they did it differently this time. Give it a translucent outsole. That's pretty sick. Sick touch, Chad. Sick. Okay, so here's my take on this. Colorway is sick, not gonna lie. All right, I dig it. But on the Sour Patch collaboration, they did this and then gave us this. The inside, the sole, the inner lining of the sneaker, they gave us that. With this Super Soaker collaboration, is this actual collaboration or just a colorway? Because I feel like they could have done a lot more. The colorway is sick, not gonna lie. All right, I dig the colorway. I just wish that they would have gone the extra, you know, just like they did with these. You know, maybe put like a Super Soaker gun on there, like on the bottom here. The colorway does remind me of Super Soaker, not gonna lie, but in terms of execution, they could have done a little bit more. But it is one of the sickest colorway to date. Which one? I do like the touch of the neon here, and that orange, that little orange on there, like not even orange color. I don't know what it is, man. Like peachy color. Sick. Colorway is sick, man. Colorway is nice. These will never be worn just like the other ones because I do like keeping some shit dead stock, especially like special colorways like these. Yes, I do collect sneakers. Not everybody gotta wear them, okay? Leave me alone, guys. Leave me the fuck alone. But I do have a pair of Currys that I've been breaking out. These have been worn quite a lot, and let me just say, once they break in, they are good. Super Soaker Curry 7s has been out It's out now actually, guys, for like, I think these are going for like $140. So if you guys are in the market for any basketball sneakers, do not sleep on the Currys. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Till next time, guys. Peace.
Trying to get back to the bus. If I do not make a few million and shit, I might just go back.